Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. As we have already read this chapter number 2, food and health. Yesterday we have done book exercise. In that we have done tick the correct option, match the following and fill in the blanks. Now today we will start our question answers. Dear student, you don't need to write anything, just listen and understand the question answers. I will send you PDF, then you have to write this question answers and exercise. Okay? So today we will start our answer the following question answers. Okay? Answer the following questions. Okay? Book page number 29 is given in your book. Answer the following question. Open your book. First question is, what is a balanced diet? Okay, this is first question. All of you have read this chapter and know the answers. A diet that contains all the essential nutrients in the desired amount is called a balanced diet. Okay. What is a balanced diet? A diet that contains all the essential nutrients in the desired amount is called a balanced diet. Then, second question. Second question. How do nutrients help us? Okay. What is second question? How do nutrients help us? Nutrients help our body to stay healthy and fit. Okay? This is second question. How do nutrients help us? So nutrients help our body to stay healthy and fit. Then third question. What are communicable diseases? Okay. What are communicable diseases? Diseases that can spread from one person to another person are called communicable diseases. Okay, what are communicable diseases? Diseases that get spread from one person to another person are called communicable diseases. Example: common cold, influenza, chicken pox. Okay. This is question number 3. Next question given in your book: what are non-communicable diseases? Question number 4. What are non-communicable diseases? Answer: diseases that cannot spread that do not spread from one person to another nor caused by any germs. Are called non-communicable diseases. Okay. Example: it is caused mainly due to deficiency of a particular nutrient in our diet. So examples are beriberi, night blindness, and scurvy, etc. Okay. Once again, question number 4. What are non-communicable diseases? Diseases that do not spread from one person to another nor caused by any germs are called non-communicable diseases. Examples: beriberi, night blindness, and scurvy, etc. And non-communicable diseases are caused due to deficiency of a particular nutrient in our diet. Okay. Then question number 5. Question number 5. What are germs? Okay, what are germs? Very small microorganism are called germs. Okay, what are germs? Very small microorganism are called germs. This is question number 5. Then next question, how can we prevent communicable diseases? Question number 6. How can we prevent communicable diseases? Okay. As we have read prevention of communicable diseases, we can prevent communicable diseases through the following ways. Okay. First one, keep yourself and your surroundings clean. We have read this point. Okay. And cleanliness is the best method of preventing diseases. Okay. How can we prevent communicable diseases? We can prevent communicable diseases through the following way. First point is keep yourself clean and your surrounding clean. And cleanliness is the best method of preventing any diseases. Then second point, let fresh air and sunlight enter your house. Second point, let fresh air and sunlight enter in your house. Okay. Third point, must be clean and disinfected regularly. And write first letter always capital. Okay. Toilets must be clean and disinfected regularly. Okay. Then fourth, floors must be swept and mopped every day. Fifth point, use disinfectant in the house to kill germs. Okay, this is question number 6. How can we prevent communicable diseases? So we can prevent communicable diseases through the following way. First point, keep yourself and your surrounding clean. Then cleanliness is the best method of preventing any diseases. Second point, let fresh air and sunlight enters in your house. Third point, toilets must be clean and disinfected regularly. Fourth point, floors must be swept and mopped every day. Fifth point, use disinfectant in the house to kill germs. This is question number 6. Question number 7. Read question number 7. What is given in your book? Question number 7. How is night blindness caused? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस किसके कारण होता है? ओके, आई नो एवरीवन नोज द आंसर. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, this is question number 7. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Question number 8. How can goiter be prevented? It is given in your book. How can goiter be prevented? Answer. be prevented by using iodized salt and eating seafood like fish, etc. Okay. Question number 8. How can goiter be prevented? Answer is goiter can be prevented by using iodized salt and eating seafood like fish, etc. Okay. Now this question answers of chapter 2 completed, but some extra questions are also. So we start with extra question answers. Is not given in your book. Extra question answer. Okay. So first one, everyone knows the answer. We have read this chapter and I know everyone knows this answer. What are nutrients? Okay. What are nutrients? Answer is essential substances present in the food are called nutrients. Okay. What are nutrients? Essential substances present in the food are called nutrients. You know the name of the different nutrients? Yes? Yes. Carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals are different kinds of nutrients. Second question. Name the different types of nutrients present in the food. Not food. Who knows the answer? All of you knows this answer. The different types of nutrients present in our food are. First one, carbohydrates, then second, fats, third, proteins, vitamins, and fifth one is minerals. First question of extra question answers. What are nutrients? Okay. All of you know the answer. Essential substances present in the food are called nutrient. Now you know the different name of the nutrient. Second question is name the different types of nutrient present in our food. So the different types of nutrient present in our food are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Next question of extra question answers. Third question, name the different kinds of germs. All of you know what is the definition of germs? Very small microorganisms are called germs. Now the different kinds of germs. Different kinds of germs are the different kinds of germs are. First one, you know the name, bacteria, okay. Second one, virus, third one, protozoa, and fourth one, fungi. Okay. Name the different kinds of germs. The different kinds of germs are bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Write 2 examples of each of the following. Okay. You have to write 2 examples. First one, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. What is the example of carbohydrate? Rice, potato, sugar. Okay. I am writing 3. You have to write only 2. Then second one, proteins. Means these are the sources of carbohydrate, protein. Okay. Proteins. In which food item protein is present? Milk, fish. Okay. pulses. Then third one, fats. Okay, give me the example of fat. You know, in which food item it is present? Oil, ghee, butter. Okay. Then next one, vitamins and minerals. Fruits, then green leafy vegetables, you have to write two examples of each of the following. First one is carbohydrate, rice, potato, sugar. Then in protein, examples are milk, fish, pulses. Third one about fat, oil, ghee and butter. Next one, vitamins and minerals. Fruit, green leafy vegetable contains vitamins and minerals. Okay, dear student, we have completed chapter 2, all exercise in book and question answers and some extra question answers. Today we have completed. Okay, you have to write these question answers in your notebook in good handwriting and do neat and clean work. Okay, student, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.